Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're also welcome to the channel. My name's Lizzie and this is Finance with Lizzie, where we learn how to save money and make our money work harder. So please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. On today's topic, we're going to be going back to our challenge for 2022, which is the 1 penny/1 cent challenge. And I'm just going to leave a link which would either be at the bottom of this video or somewhere at the top um, about the challenge for the year, which I've challenged every single one of you watching to do, including myself, which is to save 1p or 1 cent every day. And then if you save 1p today, tomorrow it will be 1p plus 1p, which is 2p, and adding 1p or 1 cent on each day. So how are you getting on? Have you started the challenge? Or have you had any hurdles? Are you up to date or do you need to catch up? Whatever state you may be in, it's fine. You can still catch up. This is only the beginning of March, so we've still got quite a few months to get to that challenge ending, which is the end of the year. And if we follow the challenge correctly, we will have more than £600 or $600 saved by doing something that doesn't really take too much of our time, and it won't even affect our pockets badly. So yeah, I do challenge you, if you're new here, to the 1 penny/1 cent challenge, and the link to the video has been shown at the top, or it will be at the bottom of this video. To the 1 penny/1 cent challenge, I challenge you. Are you ready to save some money? And this is something you can do with your children, whatever age they are, just something fun. Have a piggy bank or container and just put that 1p 1 cent each day, or you could have a box, or you can just have maybe somewhere where you just store those coins each day. So I challenge you to the 1 cent 1 penny challenge. Are you ready to save some money? Thank you for watching this video. God bless you all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye. Share and subscribe.